In this video, we will perform a task on list data type. We will also see how we can use while loop statement. So our task is, given the participants score sheet for University Sports Day, you are required to find the runner-up score. You are given n scores, store them in a list and find the score of the runner-up. And if you see sample input, let's take a look. The first input is an integer value and the next input is a string type which is separated by spaces but contains the integer values, and the output is the second highest number. So let's start coding. First I need to take an input from user input, then I will typecast this input to integer, and then I will assign this value to a variable n. Next we need to take input for scores. We know that our next input is a string type which contains integer values separated by a blank space, so we will use split function. Now it is converted to a list of strings. So we need to typecast each element to integer. I will use list comprehension to perform this task. So for I in this list and then int I, and then I need to limit the numbers of elements according to the value of n. So use the sublist method, and then I will assign this value to a new variable lst. Next is we need to find the maximum value in this list, so I will use the max function. Let's say maxwell, a new variable is max lst. It will give me the maximum value in this list. So my logic is like this: I will find the maximum value in this list, then I will remove all the instances of that value from the list. After removing all the instances of maximum value, the new maximum value will be our runner-up score. Because remove function removes the value only once, we need to put a loop here so that all the instances can be removed. So I will use while loop, and the condition will be while maxwell is equal to current maximum value of lst, then lst dot remove the maxwell from the list. After this loop, the new maximum value must be our runner-up score. So I will print the current maximum value, print max lst. So let's run this code, and the first input is an integer value, so I will say 4, and then I will give input 2, 3, 6, 5, and the result is 5. And this is how we can get the runner-up score from a list. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching.